Hi, welcome to this AppSheet Productivity Hub demo on AppSheet and Document AI form processing. AppSheet PhD is built as a productivity hub app to provide and automate all kinds of employee tasks in the organization. And in this case, we've added a Document AI Forms function to the main app menu. This makes it easy for any authorized user to submit and upload any PDF or photo scanned forms right in the no-code app. AppSheet always enables anyone to build no-code apps in just 3 steps: by connecting data, customizing the app, and then deploying to the target users. In this case, we added, alongside Google Drive and Sheets to store the metadata and uploaded files, an API connection to the Google Cloud Document AI API to process all uploaded documents for form data and return the fields and other insights from the Document AI algorithm to our no-code app to store and further process. For the user, it's extremely seamless, just like any great app experience. Just upload or photo scan the forms and get real-time automatic processing of the contents, all in a no-code app. So with that, let's jump over to a demo of the solution in action. For the demo, we're going to work with this example PDF form that just has some sample text and some sample fields that have been filled out and some checkboxes and selections that have been made. And this is what we're going to upload into our no-code app and have it processed through Document AI. So now we're here in the AppSheet console, where we have all of the configuration for our app, including all of the data sources, the UX UI configuration, behavior, automation, security, and intelligence. Here under tables, we have all of the tables or data sources that are connected to our app. And so we have the Document AI Forms table, which is being stored in Google, so a Google Sheet, and then all attachments stored in Google Drive. And we have the form fields data source, which is connected to the Document AI API. So we're going to synchronize those attachments to get them processed through the form processing API. Here in the app preview, we always see a real-time, real interactive preview of the app, so we can test out our Document AI Forms feature. And when we open up the function, first we see a list of all of the forms that are currently in the system, as well as a preview, also an indicator of how complete the form is, all of the fields that have been extracted, and how many of those have a valid entry and how many don't. So this particular form has a 75% completion status. And so let's go ahead and just upload a new form. So I'm going to click the Add button. I can select exactly what type of form this should be, and this can be extended for whatever types you might have. Let's just leave it with user registration. Go ahead and attach a file to this record. So I'm going to attach a PDF, and then go ahead and submit this record. So you see here, we get a processing please wait status. We don't have any information about this form. It's currently being synchronized in AppSheet. All of the apps are offline capable, so it's first stores it locally and then is in the process of synchronizing this up to the cloud, to Google Drive and Google Sheets, and also to the Document AI API. So this should get synchronized and the results push back down to us shortly. And then we'll see the results updated in real time here in the app preview. And now we have a preview of that form, as well as the evaluation for the completion status of the form. And so we can go through and see, okay, it's 81% complete. Here are all of the fields that were extracted from the form with the values that were entered, or the checkboxes that were checked, or the selections, as well as how many are filled and how many total fields do we have. So this is just an example of how we can work with documents, form processing, all in the framework of a Productivity Hub app, and join that together with lots of other useful features into something that really does truly save a lot of time and removes manual processing from a lot of daily work. Check out these links to learn more about AppSheet and Google Cloud Document AI.